War's like a game of chess, with guts on top of it. And instead of chess pieces, there's just brave, blood-hungry sons of bitches who love war! Let's show these muffin tops what the wrong end of a rocket launcher looks like. Son, whatever third world stink pile you actually live in, today you are in America. Let's make some pain, boys. Forward!
Alright, let's
Roll out,
fucking go! Tiny pistol squad out!
Hello, the automatic diagnostic and announcement system welcomes you. Remember, have a secure day. Your team has released the enemy flag. Your team captured the objective. Your team captured the flag. Teams have been reset. The enemy has your flag. The enemy team captured your flag. 100% team alive. The enemy team captured your objective. Center control point is now hostile. 5 minutes remaining. Victory. Explosive is nearing final destination. You fail. Stalemate, you idiots.
My pain is...
You fail. Sudden death activated. Download this right now, amigo.